Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make, and they may end up spending thousands of dollars on repairs, diagnostics, parts that they may not actually even need. We'll talk about that in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair Guys. Super quick, very helpful video to any of you trying to find where fuses, relays for the BCM, the body control module, are located on Mercedes GLC 4th generation. Please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. After that, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, we will guys share the links in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Even before we start, guys, let us share something with you. Okay, 9 out of 10 people do not know there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Mercedes. How many? Up to 6, 7 different fuse boxes, guys. Now, that's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes GLC fuse box location and diagram. Check it out. It's a video that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now, guys, when we make all these free videos, we take every single car apart that we get here at the garage. We make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. The BCM body control module fuses relays come to show you where you can expect to find them on that 4th generation Mercedes GLC right here, guys. Today we'll be working, by the way, okay, in a couple fuse boxes that are hidden. You wonder where. The first one, we need to come to the inside. On the passenger side, you need to remove the glove box. If you don't know how to do that, there will be multiple videos on YouTube that will teach you how to do that. And on the left side, deep inside the dash, you're going to find a pre-fuse box. When you open that pre-fuse box, you will have that layout here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick, guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays. They look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays. And if you want to see how to do that, guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. Here, guys, for the BCM body control module, 3 fuses will need to be checked. Then we need to go to a different fuse box. And what we're talking about here, fuse number 6 is one of them. Fuse number 7 is another one. These 2 fuses. And then you need to check fuse number 12 right here. And we're not done. If you open the hood on the left side where the positive jump starter terminal is located, if you remove that cover, you're going to find that it's actually a pre-fuse box. And this is the back side of it. Now, when you open it, it looks similar to the other pre-fuse box right there that we checked. You may have 2 different designs, okay, right there, 2 different designs. But most likely, okay, check all the fuses here, because there will be fuses for the BCM. Most likely, if you have that design, it will be fuse number 6, okay, that you will, guys, need to check for the BCM, the body control module on your Mercedes GLC. You also want to check the fuses and relays for the front and rear SAM module, SAM module, because they're kind of like body control modules for the Mercedes as well. If you don't know where these fuses are located, we'll have the video on the channel to help you with that and save you money, guys. Guys, this Mercedes has all kind of different fuses, right? You can see just in this fuse box we have 2 different kinds. Then if you go in this one, you have even some more special fuses right there in the trunk fuse box as well, guys. Now, it's always a good idea to keep some spare ones, guys, in the glove box for a peace of mind. That way, if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a fuse, you replace it, you're back on the road. Otherwise, we'll be stuck in the middle of nowhere, guys. We'll share the links in the description of the video below, where you can get replacement fuses, relays, where we get most of our tools, part supplies from as well. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.